In engineering and manufacturing, accurate measurements are essential. Today, we'll learn how to use three important precision measuring instruments: the Vernier Caliper, screw gauge, and height gauge. Let's get started. Part 1. Vernier Caliper. What is a Vernier Caliper? A Vernier Caliper is used to measure external dimensions, internal dimensions, and depth with high accuracy. Step 1. Check zero error. Close the jaws completely and ensure that the zero mark on the vernier scale aligns with the zero mark on the main scale. Step 2. Place the object. Open the outside jaws and place the object between them. Step 3. Take the reading. Read the value on the main scale just before the vernier zero. Step 4. Find vernier reading. Identify the vernier division that perfectly aligns with a main scale division. Step 5. Calculate measurement. Measurement equals main scale reading plus vernier scale reading multiplied by the least count. Part 2. Screw gauge. What is a screw gauge? A screw gauge measures very small dimensions such as wire diameter, sheet thickness, and small components. Step 1. Check zero error. Bring the spindle and anvil together carefully and check whether both zeros coincide. Step 2. Place the object. Insert the object between the spindle and anvil. Step 3. Rotate the thimble. Turn the ratchet until it clicks gently. Avoid excessive force. Step 4. Read main scale. Note the reading visible on the sleeve. Step 5. Read circular scale. Identify the circular scale division that coincides with the reference line. Step 6. Calculate reading. Measurement equals main scale reading plus circular scale reading multiplied by the least count. Part 3. Height gauge. What is a height gauge? A height gauge is used to measure the height of objects from a surface plate and for marking precise lines. Step 1. Place on surface plate. Ensure the height gauge is resting firmly on a clean surface plate. Step 2. Position the object. Place the workpiece next to the gauge. Step 3. Adjust the slider. Move the slider until the scriber touches the top surface of the object. Step 4. Lock the position. Tighten the locking screw to prevent movement. Step 5. Read the scale. Read the measurement directly from the main and vernier scales. Step 6. Record measurement. Verify the reading and record the height accurately. Common safety tips. Keep measuring surfaces clean. Avoid excessive force during measurement. Check for zero error before every measurement. Store instruments safely after use. Precision measurement is the foundation of quality engineering. By following these simple steps, you can accurately measure dimensions using vernier calipers, screw gauges, and height gauges. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engineering tutorials.